Hey everyone, this is the nighttime. So I'm gonna do it every night. There's clear night right there. Clear night right now. Look at that. The sky right there is cloudy. Clear night. Stop raining. Right there. Right there. And right there. Yeah. Quietly. But it stopped raining, so earlier today, it was bad. It was bad. Come down heavy rain. You saw the videos I uploaded and all that. And that I was gonna get over the thunder popping noise earlier today. I just hope somebody's okay and hope nobody got hit by that lightning or pop or whatever it was. Whatever it was around here, excuse me. So, anyways, I'm just doing night shots here. So, anyways, here we go. Anyways, there you go. And take it easy, everyone. And I'll see you all in a next one. Bye, everyone. Bye.